Hello, my beautiful friend. I'm so glad you're here because I have a really beautiful, absolutely mesmerizing crochet shawl pattern to show you, which truly embodies the essence of wintry magic. So get ready to dive into the world of Chione, the goddess of snow. Picture this, the serene beauty of a snow-covered landscape, the crisp air, and the softness of freshly fallen snowflake. That is the inspiration behind this shawl. I feel like this design will whisk you away to a land of enchantment and possibility. Just imagine wrapping yourself in the soft embrace of Chione on a chilly day, feeling like the goddess of snow herself. This amazing pattern was designed by Patricia Liefeld, and I love her vision of this design. Every stitch tells a story. Crossover stitches resemble blowing winds and snow clouds. The cone stitches symbolize icicles, and the interlocking shells represent snowdrifts. All of these stitches give the shawl such a sumptuous texture, and it really is such a delight to make and to wear. And you can make this one your own. You can use these beautiful cool colors to make a wintry version like this one, or opt for some gorgeous pastels and make a spring version. Choose some fun bright shades if you want more of a summer inspired shawl, or go for some teals, rusts, golds, or reds for a fall version. Or you can make all of them. I say make 4 and give them to your friends, and they will love you so much and you will all match. When choosing colors, if you want a similar look to this one, you're gonna need 3 shades. This shawl uses 3 cooling colors. It's called our Snowflake Hues kit, and if you'll notice, this is so cool, each stitch pattern uses a different color. I love that. And to really set this design apart, we use our hand-dyed Moongleam Fingering yarn. So this is actually a cotton silk blend yarn. It's super silky and soft, so you get these sophisticated heathered shades. I think it's so gorgeous, and it has a really unique, super soft, smooth feel to it. So not only does this shawl capture the essence of a beautiful moonlit wintry night, it also provides silky soft comfort in luscious hand-dyed shades. Just for funsies today, I'm gonna be giving away one of these beautiful Snowflake Hues kits. So if you would love to enter, just make sure you're subscribed to our YouTube channel and comment below letting me know your favorite season. Mine is fall. And as always, you can get the pattern and the yarn at expressionfiberarts.com. And while you're there, be sure you sign up for email and text updates for weekly free knit and crochet patterns and other goodies that you're not gonna find anywhere else. I truly try to make this our positive little corner of the internet. I'm excited to show you the new stitches that you're gonna need to work this pattern today. We're gonna learn something new, which is so good for our brains. Go ahead and grab a hook and some yarn, and let's learn something new. We're gonna start with a left leaning crossover. So we're going to skip this next stitch, and we're gonna go ahead and double crochet into each of the next 2 stitches. There's 1, jump over to the next stitch, and also work a double crochet there. So we have 2 double crochets and a skipped stitch. So we're gonna jump across and in front of these 2 stitches and work a double crochet here. So go ahead and get started. Reach across to the skipped stitch, and you're gonna work your double crochet into that. And you're gonna see that that newly worked double crochet is crossing in front of the other 2. For our right leaning crossover, we're gonna skip the next 2 stitches, and we're gonna double crochet into that 3rd stitch. Now we want to double crochet in these stitches that we skipped, but we're going to do that behind. So go ahead and start your double crochet, and you're going to reach behind and insert your hook into that 1st stitch that you skipped. You can kind of fold your work over there and finish your double crochet into that 1st skipped stitch. And then we also want to work a double crochet into that 2nd stitch that we skipped, which is right here. So you can go ahead and kind of pull it to the back. It's a little easier, and go ahead and work your double crochet into that. So for this one, it looks like it's leaning to the right because we have this first double crochet we worked stretching across the front, and the 2 in the back going towards the left. To work our cone stitch, we're going to start by working a yarn over, and we're going to insert our hook into the designated stitch, yarn over, and pull up a loop. Then you're going to yarn over again and insert your hook into the space below that stitch. So here's our stitch, jump right below it, insert your hook into that, yarn over, pull up a loop, And when you have 5 loops on your hook, go ahead and yarn over and pull through all 5 loops. And then I'll just work a chain 1, and you can see your beautiful little cone stitch. Aren't those such adorable stitches? I really love the texture they create and that beautiful sense of movement. As you crochet, I hope you envision the delicate dance of snowflakes and the gentle caress of cooling winds. Happy crocheting, my friend. I hope you have an amazing week, and I will see you next week with another new pattern. Bye!